interested in age-related diseases, and as an immunologist, I'm interested how the immune system might play a role in the onset and the progression of diseases such as Alzheimer's disease.
Alzheimer's disease is an age-related degenerative disorder that leads to a decline in memory and cognition and the loss of cells in the brain called neurons. This is due to the presence of a protein called amyloid beta that accumulates and forms plaques in the brain that shouldn't be there. This induces an inflammatory response. There is also a protein called tau that forms tangles inside the neuron and stops the normal functioning of that cell. Jessica's research focuses on the use of antibodies in reducing this inflammation. Antibodies are Y-shaped molecules that can be made to bind to specific proteins, for example, the amyloid beta plaques. Studies in mice showed that antibodies binding to these plaques could reduce them and therefore cure Alzheimer's disease. However, in patients, this caused inflammatory side effects.
So what we do with antibodies, we engineer the antibodies so they no longer induce inflammation. And so antibodies come in different versions, different types. And so we're using experimental antibodies that do still bind to the plaques but don't induce inflammation.
The company we work with is a company called Lundbeck that specializes in neurological disease. We collaborate on this project. They provide the antibodies, we provide the experimental models. We would not have been able to do this without Lundbeck's collaboration. So it's absolutely critically important, their input and their knowledge and their ability to provide us with these very important antibodies.
Jessica Teeling's involvement with industry is part of a CASE studentship. CASE studentships involve postgraduate students studying for a PhD through research with both an academic institution and a commercial company. The aim is to provide students with a high quality and challenging research training experience. So as a student, how would this studentship benefit you? CASE studentships give students a fully funded PhD, involvement in a high quality research project, access to training, facilities and expertise not available in a university alone, the opportunity to develop valuable skills and become an independent researcher, the chance to enhance your future employability, and create networks outside of academia. Also, there's the chance to have placements at the relevant company. Stephanie is a PhD student working with industry to research new methods for joint replacements.
It's really nice to be able to be doing research into something that is directly translational to the clinic. So any results that we have could improve the future of people who have implants.
So if you think that working with industry is the next step in your career, please contact Jessica Teeling or Claire Clarkin for further information.